understanding how to actually you take your USDT from your PayPal to Binance. I'm sure that now you're getting the drift of understanding what's literally happening. So now step number 5, you need to enter the amount of the USDT. Remember that you need to know the specific or desired amount that you want to transfer to your Binance account. So you need to enter the specific amount that you said that you desired, or what, so that you can be able to transfer. Right? Choose a specific amount and be specific with that amount. Okay, so that you can be able to transfer. And then lastly, and to conclude, is that you need to review the transaction details, and then confirm. After reading or reviewing the transactions, all your transactions, you need to read them carefully and make sure that you made the correct clickings, you chose the correct things and all that before you can press confirm. And then after doing everything, then that's when you can actually confirm, guys. Okay, so I literally appreciate you guys for actually responding to my comments. Okay, I need you guys to, if you have questions, please guys, just send as many questions as you want on our comments. Please comment as much as you can, ask as many questions. We want that so that we can actually provide proper videos for you, so that you can actually be able to know what you need to do. We want to be a solution to your problem as much as we appreciate your support. And guys, please keep on subscribing and also keep on sharing this channel. I feel like it's important. It can actually make things easy for people out there. As if you see that it's actually working for you, we are grateful. Yes, please keep on responding. If you feel like we missed anything in this video, please share on the comments, and make sure that you click on the description link. Check the description link below and just check if you want to register for affiliate marketing, if you want to register for becoming a crypto trader or a crypto investor. If you want to know more about Bitcoin or about crypto, there's a lot of Bitcoin the crypto links that you can actually start registering for yourself and learn and see how the crypto industry is actually going. Okay, so I literally appreciate you guys for actually liking and supporting our channel. Thank you very much for supporting Knowledge Enlightenment Podcast. Remember, your knowledge is power. So thank you, stay tuned much, and I literally appreciate your support, guys. Please subscribe and allow and also share our channel so that it can actually be distributed out there, so that people can be able to reach this content, and maybe it might create some changes in their lives and improve certain things. And some saying we're not experts and we're not professional. We're just here to just improve educational culture, to keep people learning, to put into self-educate yourself. So either way, let's not talk too much about that. I actually saw in the comments that you actually wanted me to release some certain episodes, so I took it in my best to just do that. How to transfer your USDT from your PayPal wallet to Binance. So that's going to be our first headline today. So either way, the first thing that you need to do is start by preparing your SAFEPAL wallet first. It's what you need to do. So what I mean by that is, number 1, ensure you have the correct seed phrase. I'm sure that you guys know what a seed phrase is. So if you're literally confused what I mean by a seed phrase, I mean by, the first thing that you need to do is to double check that you need to double check that the seed phrase that it's actually provided is actually correct. Like for example, alarm, fetch, charm, bridge, exercise, tape, seed raise, clerk, couch, cutter, letter. That could be an example of a seed phrase. And the other thing is, you need to make sure that it is accurate and is also associated with the correct SAFEPAL wallet. Okay. And then number 2, the verification of your USDT balance. So the balance, it's very, very necessary, and it's very important, guys. You need to consider this. It's necessary. So the first thing that you need to do is check your SAFEPAL wallet. You need to check your SAFEPAL wallet to confirm that you have the desired amount of USDT to transfer. So if you say, for instance, you want to transfer a certain amount of USDT, you need to make sure that the certain amount that you want to transfer is actually the desired amount that you want to transfer. Okay, it's very necessary that you need to take this into consideration. So now we go into the most important part. So The most important part is transferring your USDT to Binance. So that is the main important part that you guys wanted to see. So you need to watch this and you need to listen to this video attentively. If you find that you don't literally get what I'm saying, you can actually rephrase the video over until you understand all the steps that you need to take to reach your conclusion. So this option that I'm actually going to give you, I think is the best option. But there's also other options that you might use, but this one, it's the best. I would literally advise you. So you need to transfer using the via SAFEPAL Wallet app. Sorry, the app. You need to use them. So now, the following steps that you need to know is step number 1. You need to start by opening your SAFEPAL Wallet app, and then step number 2. You need to select the USDT wallet, okay? And then step number 3, here people sometimes they get a bit confused. You need to tap the send button or the transfer. It's either you choose if you're sending or you're actually transferring. You need to choose between the two. And then number 4, you need to enter the recipient address. And then you need to copy and paste your Binance address right? Since you're taking your USDT from your SAFEPAL wallet and you want to transfer that to your Binance account, right?